How will you know it's a scam? 5 signs, most likely, it's a scam. Easy money, high interest. Pangalawa, it is networking. Third, it is crypto. Pang-apat, it is AI. Finally, it is new. Bago lang, wala pang 1 year or just about over a year. Kaya tandaan, easy money, networking, crypto, AI, and bago. Kaya be careful.